Alright, so I'm on my way to Hanoi. We're going with Hanoi. So yeah, we're at the little buffet area. So you can come here and get like a little snack while you wait for your bus. And yeah, ball mood. Best thing ever. You can get yourself a little cup of tea, a little coffee. And yeah, they have a big food buffet outside. Just wait for your bus. And they got behind us, if you look behind us, there's food behind them. So, anyways, yeah, so I'm going to Hanoi. We're gonna go see the Flash movie. Michael Keaton's Batman. I'm very excited about that. And get to see somebody special too. So this is gonna be a cool trip. My hair always looks crazy whenever I go to Hanoi. It's the curse of summertime in Vietnam. I'm super excited. I'm super stoked. This is what I love about Vietnam. It's just these adventures, these traveling, and the people in it. So, yeah, just want to give you guys the good news. I'm on my way to Hanoi from Lao Cai. Gonna see somebody special. See the Flash. I'll let you know how it is. Wish me luck. Bye-bye. Hanoi.